Hello all, thanks for tuning in again. We got some exciting stuff to show you. We got some Water Oak and some Eleagnus to show you as a sub for Smilax until it comes back on in early July. So these are pretty cool. I know we've showed the Water Oak before. You can see these nice tight branches, pretty hardy stems. They all come in a case. I forget, Tony, how much does the case weigh? Is it by weight or just a pound?
30-pound case.
30-pound cases of the Water Oak. And then another cool item, we really haven't carried this before, but the Eleagnus. You can see these nice viney stems. This comes in a case too, I believe. Do we know the weight of these?
About the same.
About the
Same
same,
size case, maybe
around
a little
30
bit less
cases.
weight.
You can see it's jam-packed though, but these are cool. Viney, you got the green on the front, the silver on the back. I got a couple stems out here that you can see, branches. So these are good for draping. Yeah, these are cool for any wedding installs. A good sub for Smilax until it comes back, like I said, in early July. But you can shop. We have these available now on hand. The Eleagnus is G6663 and the Water Oak is G6664. We got plenty on hand. We'll carry them until the Smilax comes in, maybe later, depending on the season and the demand. So you can hop online, check it out now, shop.dvfloor.com. Any questions, let us know. Thanks.